Good morning.
Good morning.
Welcome back to WorldwideGiantGrowers.com. Where you going, baby? Hey, don't forget to bring that bag back. We need the bag. Okay, hey, what I want to show you guys a tomato update. I know it's been a while, but I want to give you a tomato update. We got some interesting things going on here. First of all, I didn't start using CalMag quick enough, so my tomato has got what you basically call blossom end rot. Now what we're going to do today, it's gotten quite large, but the dark areas there, lack of calcium, blossom end rot. I need to actually start with the calcium earlier. This is my first year using Veggie Dew. I didn't know, so a little more information now. I'm going to let these new growths start. Instead of pinching off the suckers, now let the suckers grow, and we'll come back and pollinate a new one. This one is getting cut off today with the scissors. I'll do that as soon as I'm done with the video. Okay, but on the other hand, better news. This plant, my Kaninsky, has a nice, I like the shape. Look at that tomato. That tomato is like what you call a 3-lobe if it was a pumpkin. And I like the way 1, 2, 3 solid sections got a little hole in the middle. But I like it. Now, this camera tends to be blurry sometimes. Sometimes when I straighten it out, zoom it in, you always get a glitch. It's hard to, you buy a $300 camera, but you don't always do the job. Anyways, we're gonna let this one go. And then here on my my other younger Kaninsky plant. Hey, what are you tweeting there, girl? What are you doing? Yeah? Are you having fun? Macy, I'm going on a bro trip in a little bit with Jackson. We're heading up by Traverse City to Sutton Bay area to see Nick Welty. Stay tuned for my pumpkin video in Nick Welty's pumpkin patch. Here's my other tomato. All right, this is on the younger plant. It's down lower to the trunk. This is what you want. Hey, quit tweeting, kid. All right. Anyways, this is what you ideally want. You want the tomato down here, down low on the first truss. These are getting a little bigger on the plants than what people want. The ideal location, according to the guys that grow the 7, 8, and 9 pounders. Although, Pete Vanderweilen told me he grew his 7-pounder nipple high. Nipple high, he said, on the plant, and his plant was on the ground, not in a box. Hey, little girl, what are you tweeting about? What are you doing, Macy Ray? Macy Ray's going to pull out her winner today. We're going to give away a root keeper and a bloom. Honey, you got to go get that bag and pull out a winner. Remember the bag? Go get the bag and pull out a winner. So there's the tomato update, and I want to show you real quick, guys. Grab that bag, my beefsteaks. I'm loving me some beefsteaks. Check this out. In a 5-gallon pail, I've always wanted to do this, never took the time to do it. And now with the ground here, it's hard as clay, harder than Bubba's head. I put Veggie Dew in here, and I've been giving it the steady calcium feedings. Look at these tomatoes, man, in the Veggie Dew. And I'm using Fruit Blaster. Look at the tomatoes. Look at the blossoms. I've been pinching off the suckers, trying to, because now I don't want too many more tomatoes. I got enough tomatoes. Look at these tomatoes. I've got plenty of tomatoes that we're going to eat. I love beefsteaks. I won't argue with anybody, but my favorite tomato is a beefsteak. Okay, Macy, we got a winner. Who's the winner, baby? Of the root keeper and bloom. Bait the hook. Wow, what a coincidence. We were just talking last night. He commented on a video. Keep commenting on the videos, people. I will give away root keeper and bloom. So what do you say? What are those, Macy? Tomatoes. Yeah, we're going to eat them, right? Yeah. All right, so hey, I'm heading up to Traverse City. Yeah, Macy's my little helper. She helps me garden when she's not letting flies in the house, right, Macy? Mm-hmm. All right. Whoa, hi, Bubba. Best little helper ever. All right, headed on a bro trip with Jackson. I'm so excited. I came out this morning to wet my plants before I go. We're going to go up and catch some fish. So, hey, comment below and tell me, who do you think is going to catch the bigger fish, Jack or Bubba? All right, man, comment below. We'll talk to you soon, guys. Keep them growing.